Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience for 50% faster job preparation. We had started discussing the most important questions from the various acts of your Phase 1 syllabus for SEBI Grade A exam 2025. Today in this video, we will be talking about the Code of Civil Procedure, the CPC, which is another very important act, and a good number of questions come from this in the Phase 1. Till now, we've already discussed about constitution and the various contract laws. CPC, if we see a past trend, a good number of questions come from here every year, and we have seen an increase of number of questions coming from CPC alone. In 2024, around 6 questions had come. If you want to see the questions that came in the last year and the years before that, you can download the video from our channel also. So today we will talk about the important sections that you should be studying, the parts that you should be studying before your exam, and we will practice some of the important questions. Before I move ahead, I will also like to tell you about the Christmas and New Year sale that is now live at iExamB, and where all the courses can be availed at a flat 58% off. We have a special quick revision course and practice course for your Phase 1 to help you practice and revise before the exam on the 10th of January for your exam. This includes a lot of practice both for paper 1 and paper 2, summary sheets, MCQ booklets, and exam level mock test, 15 each for paper 1 and paper 2. We are also starting a marathon sessions, which are quick revisions before your exam for comprehensive revision and practice from the 25th of December, including both paper 1 and paper 2 subjects. So let's move ahead and discuss the revision strategy and the most important questions from CPC. You will also be able to access from the description box of this particular video. So first, let's look at what the strategy should be based on the past trend and otherwise the trend of other exams seen in this year for CPC. Out of the syllabus, if you'll see, it is mentioned part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and schedule 1. It is very important for you. From this, the part 1 and part 2 are very important, and the various orders are also of eminence in this particular act. If I talk about the orders, order 6, 7, 8 should be the most important. After that, your priority should follow understanding and knowing about order 1, order 5, 9 to 15, and also covering section 75 and 60. If you have time, you should also try to cover section 109 to 160, sections 151 to 153 related to court hours, and orders 12 to 19. So orders have a lot of importance in this particular act. So let's go ahead and discuss the first question. We will start with an easy question over here. An executing court can vary the terms of the decree, modify the terms of the decree, both modify and vary the terms of the decree, only modify but not vary the terms of the decree, neither modify nor vary the terms of the decree. The correct answer here is E. An executing court cannot modify or vary the terms of any decree. Right? You can go through the detailed explanation. That is how we add, so that you can also learn while practicing your questions, important questions. Next question. When the court rejects an application for review under CPC, such order is not appealable by opposite party, appealable with the permission of the court, or none of the above. The answer is A. It is not appealable. Okay, let's move ahead and do another question. In which of the following cases a civil court cannot issue commissions? For examination of a person, for examining accounts, to execute partition, to execute decree, or to hold expert investigation. The correct answer here is to execute decree. As a part of section 75, power of the court to issue commissions, there are various circumstances again under which a court may issue a commission. These include to examine a person, to make a local investigation, to examine or adjust accounts, or to make a partition, or to hold a scientific, technical, or expert investigation, to conduct sale of property which is subject to speedy or natural decay, or to perform any ministerial act, right? In how much time respondent may file a cross objections from the day of service of the notice of hearing of an appeal? In a month, in 2 months, in 15 days, in 21 days, or in 45 days? The correct answer here is A, in a month. Okay, so again, a question related to orders, important orders, as we had stated, these are very, very important. Now let's do a little practical based kind of a question. Okay, you can look at all the other questions by downloading the PDF from the description below, right? So let's look at a question in a case format. X is living in Delhi and Y, his brother, is living in Mumbai. X wants to file a suit for partition of their joint property situated in Chennai and Bangalore. Which of the following is the correct location at which the suit may be instituted? Should it be instituted in Delhi, or in Mumbai, or in Chennai only, or in Chennai or Bangalore? Or should it be instituted in Bangalore only, right? So there are 4 locations mentioned. One where X is living, the other party Y is living, and then the locations Chennai and Bangalore where the properties, the joint properties are located, right? So where will the suit be instituted? The correct answer is D. The suit may be instituted at the locations of either of the properties, because both the properties are under the suit for partition. So either of the properties location, right? This is as per section 17, which states that the suit may be instituted in any court within the local limits of whose jurisdiction any portion of the property is situated, right? So it could be either Chennai or Bangalore. Okay, you can download the entire PDF for more important questions from this particular act and practice. We'll come up with more videos for your phase 1. As stated, you can download the entire PDF for the strategy and the important questions practice from the description of this video. You will find links to various other PDFs which we have discussed till now in the description box. For any other information, you can download our app or visit our website or contact us at 9205524028. Wishing you all the best for your exam.